We build better in puffers. Today we're gonna build. Oh, it's easy. All right, yes, it's very easy. New year, new house. I have to build my son a new bed, and so Ash and I are gonna build it today. Let's go. Okay, so the first step in building this really cold headboard is going to be adding our pocket holes. We are using the Craig Jig 720 Pro to do this, and we've got our 2x4s already ripped to
3 inches wide.
Look at that. She's done the math. She's done her homework. So Ash, I'm gonna let you do the honors.
I'm so glad.
You just did pocket holes of your own. So there's gonna be 2 on each end, and on one of these, we're also gonna do a few going up to put the very top piece on.
Gotcha.
Are your hands cold?
No.
Okay.
I've had them in my pockets.
Okay.
Okay, so what we love about this pocket hole jig is that it will switch between 1.5 inch and 3/4 inch stock without having to change anything on the machine. You're just going to change the depth collar setting for whatever thickness you're using. It's so easy.
Funny you mentioned that because I didn't even look at the depth collar. Whoop, hey there. I didn't even look at it. Is that correct?
Yeah, because I said it earlier.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Okay, so where else are we
Perfect. And then we're going to do like maybe 3
on one side.
On one side, and then this one will just have 2 on each end.
All right.
And if you need a break, let me know. You're doing a great job, though.
Thanks.
Doing a good job.
I was boring. So pocket holes. Okay, pocket holes applied, installed.
Awesome.
Added.
And then 2 on that one. Make sure to on. No, not that way. 2 on each end.
Oh, it doesn't need the sides?
That one doesn't need those long ones. Yes, because it faces down.
Amazing.
I know. It's a really, really excellent design.
So is this a full-size bed?
This is actually going to be a twin-size bed, and I should mention, today we're just building the headboard because I'm actually going to use one of our previous plans for a simple platform using 2x4s because we already have a great design for that. So today we're just building a brand new headboard, and then we'll definitely link to the plans for the platform base below, right, G?
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna link it below. All right, so
we have our 2x3s with pocket holes added. What's the next step?
the next step is gonna be to add our legs. She's got legs. There she goes. Okay, so these are going to be, this is our top board because these pocket holes, let's do this for her. These pocket holes are gonna go, we'll have a screw that goes up into the top piece. I don't even know what you call that piece, the header, maybe?
Where is it?
So we're gonna attach this guy right here.
Okay.
And let me get a driver, and then I'm also gonna get some 2.5 inch pocket hole screws. Whoop!
Are we using wood glue?
You know we are. Hold on, let me grab some real quick.
We're also using wood glue, so I'm going to
In a shocking turn of events, I have a little bit of it, maybe. Okay, so now we're gonna add, hey you. So we're gonna add our next leg, and it's right here. And I'm wondering the best way to do it, since the table's kind of, I don't know. We could go on the ground if we want to, or
go here.
You wanna do it like that?
Yeah, we can move the pocket hole.
That's a fan-freaking-tastic idea. Let's do it that way. Let's do it that way. I'm adding wood glue right here. We're gonna add this piece right here. Okay, so we have the frame of our headboard built. Pause, G.
Twin headboard frame.
So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna be adding 1x2s up and down like this with our pocket hole screws, and I'm gonna cut them really fast.
Okay.
G, follow me to the saw. So we are cutting these each to 34 and something that really doesn't matter. Tell me what this measurement is so I know what to cut.
34 and 11 and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
16.
Wait, give me it.
Oh, sorry.
15, 16.
Okay. Deal.
I couldn't tell if it was 14 or 15.
So I'm actually gonna cut it just a bit longer so that I can go back and square off the other end as well. And then I'm gonna make my trusty assistant add my pocket holes for me. So Let me shave off just a bit on this one. Ah, don't mind. I really need to remove the gloves. They're really not helping me at all. So these are our 1x2s. These are gonna make panels across the headboard frame. Ash is gonna go make some pocket holes in them for me.
So this is what I was talking about with the 720 Pro, how easy it is to switch between the stock thickness. So right now this is set to 1.5 inch thick board, and I'm just going to use the little wrench and set it to 3/4 inch because now I'm drilling pocket holes into 1x, and that's all I have to do. This clamp is self-adjusting, so it just makes it so much easier when you're using two different types of thickness and boards.
What a great demo, man.
Well, thanks. I've only done it for a few years.
Okay, this is our last piece.
Okay, so we now have our 5 1x2s that have 3/4 inch pocket holes.
To attach our 1x2 boards, and they are going to be at 6 7/8 spacing. I mean, ish. It doesn't have to be totally perfect.
right?
Yeah, they're gonna be flush with the front.
Okay.
And the first, oh wait, I'm so sorry. The first one's actually gonna be flush with the side too, so that makes it easier.
Yeah. I was
So
like, how is that all gonna
we'll
fit?
stick those in and do those two first. How about that? Okay, so we're gonna use a mallet because I cut these so precisely. Okay, so our first 1x2 board is in place, and we are going to use our Ryobi drill to screw it in. Let me get pocket hole screws that are smaller.
So, what were we talking about right? Oh, I think that we should use these because it's going into.
I feel like they're too long.
They're not. They're going into 2x. Promise.
Here's some smaller ones.
I promise.
Here's some smaller ones.
So look, even if it's right there, it's not going to go too far.
But here's some smaller ones.
We're using smaller, shorter screws.
All right, so let's show them what the headboard looks like right now, which is kind of like a cage. So we've got this. This is gonna be the front. And now we're gonna go and add our panels on the back. And then
we're done.
Then we're done building it. And then I have to build the bed, the base. And then, you know, all the things. All right, we are on our final step, which is attaching the edge glued panels to the inside back of our 1x2s.
So we need some wood glue.
Yes.
And Whitney has ripped down these project panels to size. We've got the 2 outside boards that are a little bit wider, and we're just gonna place them like this so that you can't see the seams on the other side.
Pop some nails in.
We need some wood glue.
Yes, ma'am. Whew. My nose is chilly. Okay, let me do this one. All right, so we'll put their outside ones first.
I don't know.
One's thicker.
Which one?
The outside one's thicker. So if any of your boards are short one way or the other, push them up towards the top because your mattress is gonna cover the bottom. I'm using 1-inch brad nails with the 18-gauge brad nailer, and these will have a little bit of space in between them.
You won't see it.
It doesn't matter. That's all right. Don't mess up your manicure. Okay, so last step.
Again.
Yeah, because we were on the last step and I forgot a step. We're gonna cut the top piece that's going to run across the top, the cap, what did you call it?
Yeah, like a cap.
A cap. I'm gonna go cut the cap.
Trim.
Trim. I'm gonna cut the cap. I actually have measurements on it, it's right here. It's 41.5 because we want it to hang over just a little bit, and it's gonna be a 2-inch rip too, which is great that I haven't ripped it yet because now I get to go rip it, which is really awesome. Okay, so
how are you attaching?
We are going to attach, Ashley, using pocket hole screws and wood glue. Okay, I'm gonna hold this in place while Ash gets it.
So I'm using 2.5-inch pocket hole screws.
Wait, sorry, I'm just trying
Okay.
to. Okay, you should be good.
I'm using 2.5-inch pocket hole screws into the piece of trim, and these These pocket holes we drilled into the frame piece earlier.
Actually, I think it's really cute for something I designed 5 minutes ago. Okay, so we're gonna pull this out front, show you what it looks like before I get the platform
also
base
lightweight,
built.
which I appreciate.
Yes, easy to move.
So cute.
So cute. So I think it'll be super cute in his room. I have some shelves designed in my head that we'll do on our next shoot. But I'll get the platform base built, get this thing stained, and can't wait to show you what it turns out like.
I love how this looks. I think it looks so custom. It's beautiful, and it was so easy to build.
I love it too. Y'all make sure you subscribe. You do not want to miss another video.
Happy building.
Hey Ash, I know what it is.
It's 15/16.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't
Really matter.
And none of these fit.
Okay.
They're gonna need to be shaved.
It was 14, 16 instead of 15.
14.25.
Sorry, we're not. That's where this is. You should have paid attention. You have one job: shoot the video, and don't give advice. Don't give woodworking advice. Do you need a mallet?
Yeah.
Here. If it doesn't involve the electronics, just keep it to yourself. Yeah, Ashley, yeah. Okay. Okay, let me do a line down here for you. Oh! Are you okay?
Is that cracked?
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Is your ankle okay?
Yeah. I'm
Please,
fine.
please stop hitting everything.
Okay, we're not gonna shoot at my house anymore. I love you, Ash, but
Calm down.
I know, but I don't know which side looks better. I think this one.
So, hold on, I'm like trying not to sneeze because my nose is cold. Okay, so
Explain how you can push them up towards the top.
I'm going to my nose. You know when it
That
hurts?
cold?
Well, it's not, it just like, I don't know.
Did we
So-
put pocket holes?
Yeah, you put 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ah,
Look at you.
look at you. I guess we should have put
It was
them
actually,
here.
it was actually you. You did it.
I would just use it.
Good God, that actually goes over there. I would keep the mallet out because we have 4 more boards to go.
I was trying to clear the area.
Cleared the whole wall. Okay. Let me get some. It's great.
I had nothing to say.
I think it's great.
Okay.
I know.